on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make butter beans. This is a quick and easy recipe and it's budget friendly. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 15-ounce cans of butter beans. You want to drain them and rinse them. 1.5 cups of chicken broth. 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1/4 of a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. 1/4 of a teaspoon of paprika. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. 1/2 teaspoon of parsley flakes. 1/2 of a small onion diced. You want to juice 1 lemon, and you want to use a fresh lemon. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. In a heated saucepan, I'm going to add in my olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. I have my heat on medium, so now I'm going to add in my onion. And you want to saute your onion for 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic. Then we're going to add in our Italian seasoning, our paprika, our chili flakes, our red pepper flakes, excuse me, our ground black pepper. We're going to mix it until it's well combined. You want to let that saute for about 1 minute. Now we're going to add in our butter beans. And we're also going to add in our chicken broth. Now you just want to mix it until it's well combined. You could turn up your heat to medium-high, and you want to bring it to a boil. And guys, you can go ahead and give the broth a taste, and if you want to add any of the salt, you can do it now. Once it comes to a boil, you want to lower your heat to low. And we're going to let it simmer for 12 minutes until the beans are heated all the way through and your sauce has thickened some. Okay guys, so after 12 minutes, you can see that our broth in it has thickened up. So now you want to turn off your heat. Now for the lemon juice, that's optional. What you want to do is just add in a little bit at a time and give it a mix, and you just add it according to the way you want it to taste. Remember, you don't have to add the lemon juice. Okay guys, and lastly, I'm just going to take some of our dried parsley flakes and I'm just going to put some over top just for a little bit of color. So here we have it, our 1 pot butter beans. These taste amazing. This is another one of my favorites. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?